Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the only way works. Carrier voicemail must be active on your iPhone 11. Once done, make sure your SIM is inserted and you have cellular service. Wi-Fi alone won't set carrier voicemail. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. If you see Setup Now, tap it immediately. This initiates the carrier handshake to create your mailbox and prompt you to choose a voicemail password and greeting. Once you tap Setup Now, enter a 4 to 6-digit voicemail password as required by many carriers. This secures access to messages. After you confirm the password, the app asks you to record a greeting or use default. Record a clear, concise greeting and tap Save so the carrier stores it to your mailbox. Make sure you press Save, otherwise the carrier might not accept the greeting. Your voicemail box is then provisioned on the network and ready to receive messages. To finish, tap the voicemail list to play, rewind, forward, or delete messages. Use the share button to save important voicemails. If you never saw Setup Now or you get an error, call your carrier to enable voicemail on your line. This is the only reliable fix for provisioning problems. If instructed, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings, then retry Setup. Because network resets often clear provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.